Morning everybody, I hope you're well. Welcome back to the channel. Right, today's video is going to be a food tasting one. I went and brought some party food, whatever you want to call it, for over Christmas. So we're going to have a taste test. So you're coming over and have a look what we brought. Right, we brought 3 lots of prawns, tempura, coconut and sriracha. They were $1.79 a box. And then we brought 10 mini steak bakes and 10 10 cheese and onion bakes. Right, while the air fryers are warming up, I want to open a box and show you. So we'll open the mini steaks first. Let's get them out. Oh, there's the mini steaks. So that's what they look like. I'm not going to get them all out. We'll put them up to one side. I suppose the cheese bakes are going to be the same as well, but we'll open them up and we'll have a look. I'm trying to get you in as best as I can. So they're the same as the steak ones, but these ones are cheese and onion. Let's put them to the side. These ones are the coconut breaded prawns. I can't get my words out today. Oh, let's open these up. Oh, I've ripped the box. Oh. Just bear with me a minute. Oh, these ones come in a little bag. So that's what them ones look like. They're the coconut ones. I suppose they all look the same really, but we'll open them all up and we'll have a look. Just while the air fryers are warming up. That's the sriracha ones. Leave them on top of there so I don't get all the boxes mixed up. Oh, sorry. And these are the tempura king prawns. Ooh, them ones look nice, don't they? Sorry, them ones look nice. Oh, so yeah, I'm warming the air fryers up now, and I will bring you back in a bit. Everything is cooked and done now, so I've put it all in bowls. So come on over and have a look. Right, here we've got the sriracha prawns, the coconut ones. The cheese and onion mini bakes, the steak mini bakes, and the tempura battered prawns. And if you're wondering where I got my little Christmas tree dishes from, they're from Temu. They're about 50p each. And my little placemats, I got 4 little placemats and a table runner, and that was £5 from Temu. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the table. I'm going to pick one of each. I'm going to put it on a plate and we can have a taste test. I forgot to say, it smells absolutely delicious in here. So I'm going to bring you down. We're going to have a taste test of each one. So let me bring you down a minute. Let's cut open the prawn first. We'll have a look in the middle at what it's like. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? This is the tempura battered prawn first. So we're going to have a taste of this one. I like that. I like that batter. It's nice and crunchy. That's a win. I like that tempura battered prawn. The batter's nice and crispy and it's not too fishy, which really puts me off. It's not too fishy. That's lovely, that is. I really like that one. Right, shall we try a coconut prawn next? Right, that's the coconut prawn. So we're going to cut that one in half. Have a look at the inside. There we go. Let's try a coconut one, a coconut battered prawn. Oh no, I don't like that one. The coconut doesn't go with it. That's not a very nice one. Oh no, that's a no-no. Oh, no, that one's not too nice. It's weird, the coconut ruins the batter. And it tastes like a weird coconut. It's not like a subtle coconut. It's I'm not keen on that one. You might like it though, but that one's not for me. This one is the sriracha. Oh no, I don't like that coconut one. It's left a right weird taste in my mouth. That's that one. This one, I could smell this one when this one was cooking. This is the only one that I could really smell out of all the prawns. Let's try the sriracha one. That's a nice one. So out of them 2 boxes that cost $1.79 a box, oh, it's got a kick to it as well. Out of them 2 boxes, I like the tempura battered king prawn, and I like the sriracha one. That'd be really nice with some dip. That's got a kick to it, that has. Ooh, my mouth's on fire. Ooh. Right, now we're going to try the steak bake and the cheese and onion one. Let's try this one. I think this one is the cheese and onion bake. Yeah. Also, I didn't even have you in shot then, did I? That's the cheese and onion one. And then we'll get this one. And we'll try the steak bake. Ooh, look at that one. That looks nice. So that's what they look like. Now we're going to try the steak bake first, I think. That's very nice. Just tastes like a steak bake. It's got some nice, decent filling in there as well. I like that one. But who doesn't like a steak bake or a cheese and onion bake? Right, we're going to try the cheese and onion one next. Big thumbs up to the steak bake and the cheese bake. They was really tasty. Overall, for what we spent, $1.99 for the cheese and onion bakes and the steak bakes, and you get 10. They're really worth the money. I think they both are. I really liked the tempura prawn. That was lovely. And I really liked the sriracha one as well. That was lovely. The only one I didn't like was the coconut. I mean, you might like it, I didn't, and they were all $1.79 a box from Aldi. So, Christmas food from Aldi, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's worth the money. I mean, well, we've got all that there. And that there. So yeah, I give that a 10 out of 10. And it didn't take much time to cook neither. I did it all in the air fryer. You can do yours in the oven, you can shallow fry them, whatever you want to. But I'm going to give all that Aldi Christmas party food, New Year's Eve party food, whatever you want to call it, Boxing Day party food, or just a munch. I think it's well worth the money. So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you all later. Merry Christmas. Bye.